بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم.
All that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth extols the glory of Allah, the Sovereign, the Holy, the Almighty, the All-Wise.
هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين.
He it is who has sent to the Gentiles a messenger from among themselves, one who rehearses to them his verses, purifies their lives, and imparts to them the book and the wisdom, although before that they were in utter error.
وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم.
And he has also sent him to those others who have not yet joined them. He is the most mighty, the most wise.
ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Such is Allah's favor. He bestows it on whomsoever He pleases. Allah is the Lord of abounding favor.
مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار يحمل أسفارا بئس مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآيات الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
The parable of those who were charged with the Torah and then they failed to live up to it is that of a donkey laden with books. Even more evil is the parable of the people who gave the lie to the signs of Allah. Allah does not direct such wrongdoers to the right way.
قل يا أيها الذين هادوا إن زعمتم أنكم أولياء لله من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين.
Tell them, O you who have become Judaized, if you arrogantly fancy that you are Allah's favorites to the exclusion of all people, then wish for death, if you are truthful in your claim.
ولا يتمنونه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين.
But they shall never wish for death because of the evil deeds they have committed. Allah is well aware of these evildoers.
قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Tell them, the death from which you flee will certainly overtake you. Then you will be returned to Him who fully knows what is hidden and what is manifest. Thereupon He will let you know all that you used to do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
Believers, when the call for prayer is made on Friday, hasten to the remembrance of Allah and give up all trading. That is better for you if you only knew.
فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
But when the prayer is ended, disperse in the land and seek Allah's bounty, and remember Allah much, so that you may prosper.
وَإِذَا رَأَوْا تِجَارَةً أَوْ لَهْوًا انفَضُّوا إِلَيْهَا وَتَرَكُوكَ قَائِمًا قُلْ مَا عِندَ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ مِّنَ اللَّهْوِ وَمِنَ التِّجَارَةِ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الرَّازِقِينَ.
Yet no sooner than they saw some trading or amusement, they flocked to it and left you standing by yourself. Tell them, that which is with Allah is far better than amusement and trading. Allah is the best provider of sustenance.